Here at Mind Studio, we have a news industry channel in our Slack instance where I post all of the different news about recent topics. For example, Perplexity just launched the AI assistant that works only on Android, and here's a link to read more. Before today's use case, all of these was manual. So if I go back up, you'll see a few posts from me, stuff like this chart right here, or this CNN article, this other TechRadar article, without any real explanation of what's going on, because I don't have the time to write a small summary for everything I post here. This is basically just to keep tab on what's going on during the week, and so I can use it in my newsletter. My team members can also know what's going on. If there is any new model release, we can keep that up and include it in Mind Studio, etc. Right now, all of that is automated by this worker, which you can see creates a small summary, the 3 talking points, and adds the link to read more. The functionality is very simple. Let's look at that. For example, right now I'm on the TechCrunch website and I see an article about ChatGPT and a major outage. Let's click on that, read it through, and now I decide, okay, I want to post this in the news industry channel. To do that, I simply need to click on the Summarize the News button. The Mind Studio worker will get to work. It will automatically scan this news, create the talking points, and post it to Slack without me lifting a finger. I can see the message has been sent to the channel, and if I go back to Slack, the news is indeed here. We can see the small summary, the 3 talking points, and the read more link. This doesn't work just on TechCrunch. It works on any major news publication like TechCrunch, CNN, The Verge, or even if you just see an article in Google News and you want to summarize it, it will work for that as well by simply clicking on it. In the AI space specifically though, a lot of the news happens on X. So on the X platform, you can see OpenAI announcing the Stargate project, or you can see AI influencers talking about all sorts of different use cases and new apps they're launching or new features for their product. All of that is also very important, and the news industry channel frequently included all sorts of X links. Now I can use the same button to scrape everything on this page, including the main article, of course, and all of the comments, and summarize it for Slack. So let's click on the button, Summarize the News. Mind Studio gets to work, and after about 5 to 10 seconds, the message has been sent to Slack. If I go back to Slack, here is the small summary. OpenAI has announced the Stargate project, 500 billion in infrastructure, and there is the link to read more, which redirects exactly to the Twitter thread we just looked at. This is a massive time saver for my newsletter writing and for the entire team to keep up to date about everything AI related. I'm sure this can be very useful for your company as well, or even if you just want to have small summaries about every article that matters when you read it online for the first time. Hope this helps, and happy building.